Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you guys are keeping well. May Allah bless you. It's a hot sunny day. Normally, if rainy day, we like to cook some halwa puri and all, but it's a hot sunny day. I am making halwa puri in my kitchen now. You know, just go against the rule sometime when you feel like eating something right what you want. So here I am, it's a maida or all purpose flour. I add the cooking oil. You can add according to your quantity. Here's the salt and mix them well. After mixing well, we have to make it into a dough with water. Here I have mixed it with the water already, but I didn't knead it properly. So we have to knead it, leave it first for let's say 15 minutes, then and cover it with a wet towel. Yeah, I got a wet towel, so I'm going to cover it, and then you can after 15 minutes we will make it into a fine dough by kneading it. Yeah. add add oil in the pan and then some cardamoms for good fragrance and taste. Then we will add the semolina or suji. Yeah, sometime for change you cook this one, you will love to eat it and to serve. Even your kids will love it. So I add semolina. Have to wait it till light golden color. As you can see, our suji got gold color. It's roasted well, but I think I need to roast it a minute more. Then we have to add water and sugar. Sugar we add equal amount of suji. Here we add water. After adding water, we add I add brown sugar. You can add white sugar, whatever you like, for sweetening. If you are on diet, you can use some sweetener for, low calories. Keep it on high flame. You can see halwa is ready. For this one we need no need to make it very thick. It's nice like that, and when it's get cold, then it will become a little bit more thick. So for beauty, I am adding the food color, orange color, so you feel like you are buying from outside and eating, right? With orange color it looks very beautiful. Halwa is ready. Then we can just add some crushed almonds. And start preparing our potatoes. Before that we have to make our dough ready for puris. So we have to, you can see it's relaxed, but we have to knead it for 5 minutes. Then we have to leave it for another 10 minutes. Then it's ready to be made into puris. Our dough is ready. We glaze it with oil and then cover it again. So here I'm glazing it all over. Yeah, and then we will cover it with the same towel again for 10 minutes. 15 minutes is also fine. Here we prepare our potatoes, sabzi, to go with puris. Add cumin seeds, bay leaf, and some cinnamon stick. Add onions, fry them till they got pink. I add ginger and garlic, 1 tablespoon, 1 table, because I got like potatoes more than half kg or almost to like 6 potatoes, so accordingly I'm adding. Turmeric powder, we add coriander powder, coarse red chilies. You can add chili powder as well, it's completely up to you, and add some salt to your taste. I'm adding tomato puree as well. You can add tomatoes or tomato puree. Add potatoes. I cut into thin slices, round shape. Shuffle them well, okay, and cover the lid like 2-3 minutes. After 2 minutes, just add a little bit water, and then again you can keep it for steaming and cover the lid again. You can see how beautiful they look, and they are very delicious. You can have them with chapatis and all, also very good, and it's simple and delicious. I'm adding yogurt, and some green chilies, then cover the lid for another 2-3 minutes at low flame. Potatoes are ready. We have to add coriander and a little bit of lemon. It's totally up to you to add yogurt and lemon. I add because I like the tangy taste with puris, and it's really delicious. It's a best match. As you can see, I have dumped my lemon also inside because it will give a very good fragrance. Potatoes are ready. Let's start puris. We have added oil in the pan because we need the oil temperature should be very high and on high flame, and then we start making our puris. So put oil on your hand, no water, no dry flour. So with oil, roll it on your hands. My dough is rolled into small balls, and we check the oil how hot it is. I took a little piece of dough and I am going to put here. Once it float up means it's ready to fry our puris. In my first try, when I throw the dough in the oil, it didn't rise quickly, so I have to wait till it warm again. So I'm repeating again. Now you can see it rise quickly, means it's ready. We can fry our puris. So grease with oil and start rolling our puris. So roll it very thin. You can stretch it as you want. I like my puris to be thin, so They are delicious when they are thin. Here, now I am going to lift it. You can see how thin it is. Adding the pan, and we start to put oil on the top of it. Okay. Quickly turn the side. It's quite big from my pan, but start pouring oil on it. You can see it got a very nice golden color. So have to start pouring oil on it. Quickly turn the side. Here, delicious food is ready. You can see the puris. You can see it's very soft, very good, and very simple. You no need to put so many things in it, and very thin. Hope stay connected. Hope you like the video. Like, share, subscribe.